Dear students, welcome to our class on production and procurement details of major crops grown in India. Now, in this class, we start with oil seeds. Now, as far as oil seed crops are concerned, the number one crop is groundnut in India. Now, the descending order, the states in the descending order of production is Gujarat 4.6 million tons, Rajasthan 1.6 million tons, Tamil Nadu 1 million ton, and total groundnut production in India, all India is 10 million tons. In some books you will find 10.1. Now the next one, the next crop, oil seeds, rapeseed and mustard. It is in the descending order: Rajasthan, Haryana, UP. 4.2, 1.6, 1. What is 4.2? What is 1.6? What is 1 million tons in the descending order? Rajasthan, Haryana, UP. All India 9.1 you will find in certain books, but Government of India had given 9.0, 9 million tons rapeseed and mustard. As far as groundnut is concerned, 10 million tons. In certain books you will find 10.1, 9.1. That's why I am cautioning you. Now, next crop is the soybean. Soybean, the descending order, the states that grow, that produce are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh 5.1 million tons, Maharashtra 4.6 million tons, Rajasthan 0.5 million tons. All India 9.1 million tons. Now easy to remember. Both rapeseed and mustard and soybean are in the latest figures 9 million tons. In certain books or in certain references you will find 9.1 million tons. As far as groundnut is concerned, 10 million tons or 10.1 million tons. Why I am telling several times is you must not be committing a mistake. So that's why as a professor it's my responsibility to give you the clarity on the figures. So in certain books that's what I am telling. But finally what I am reading are the final figures. Now, so sunflower is very interesting crop. The descending order in the production states are Karnataka, Odisha, Bihar. Karnataka, Odisha, Bihar. 0.1, 0.03, 0.01 million tons. All India 0.2 million tons. All India 0.2 million tons. Now, the total oil seeds, if you take total altogether, the descending order states are Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Rajasthan, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. These are the states in the descending order as far as the total oil seed production are concerned. Now, if you want the figures, so as I said, the all India figure in the last class beginning I told. In the last class beginning I told total oil seeds are say 33.4 million tons, or you can say 34 million tons I told. So in the descending order, Rajasthan, Gujarat, MP 6.8, 6.7, 6.6 million tons. Now to sum up the oil seeds, groundnut 10.1 million tons. In the descending order, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu. Rapeseed and mustard is concerned, 9.1 million tons. Same is the case with soybean. However, the descending order in the states as far as rapeseed and mustard are concerned, Rajasthan, Haryana, UP, soybean, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan, sunflower, Karnataka, Odisha, Bihar. Total oil seeds in the descending order, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh. Now let us see the cash crops. What is the scenario with reference to the cash crops? Simple, very minimum cash crops I am giving. Sugarcane 355 million tons. 355 million tons. Now the descending order are UP, Maharashtra, Karnataka. Cotton, Gujarat, Telangana, Maharashtra. 36 million bales. 36. See, this bit will come. As far as cotton is concerned, the bales are 170 kg bales. As far as jute and mesa is concerned, 180 kgs. One bale of jute and mesa is 10 kg more than the cotton. That you remember, this bit appeared in almost 4 or 5 out of 10 question papers. This had come. Once again for your academic interest, cotton 170 kg bale. jute and mesta 180 kg pairs. Now let us see what is the position of cotton. Cotton in the descending order: Gujarat, Telangana, Maharashtra. Gujarat, Telangana, Maharashtra. 8.3, 6.9, 6.8. Jute in the descending order: West Bengal, Bihar, Assam. 0.9, 0.8, 0.75 million bears. That's what I am telling. Now, so let us see what is the position with reference to horticulture crops. It's very interesting. Horticulture students, please listen very carefully. These are the statistics of the latest Government of India. Number one, fruits. As far as fruits are concerned, 67 lakh hectares or 6.7 million hectares fruits are grown. What is the total quantity? 10 million tons. 6.7 lakh, 67 lakh hectares or 6.7 million hectares. Now, what is the full total fruit production? 10 million tons. Next figure. As far as fruits are concerned, the highest or the largest goes to, the figure largest goes to mango. Okay, it is grown in 2.3 million hectares, 2.3 million hectares out of 6.7 million hectares of fruits. Now, let us see with reference to the vegetables. So, vegetables are grown in 10 million hectares. 10 million hectares. In 10 million hectares, 190 million tons are produced. In 10 million hectares, 190 million tons of vegetables are produced. Potato, this is a very interesting bit. This is certain to appear this year. Why, I will tell you in my next class. Let us see the figure first. Potato, 2 million hectares, 1.4 million tons. This is the reason. In 2 million hectares, we are getting potatoes only 1.4 million tons. Last two figures I would like to share with you. Coconut, 2.1 million hectares and cashew nut 1.1 million hectares. For your academic interest, I would like to repeat once again. As far as plantation crops are concerned, coconut 2.1 million hectares. As far as the cashew nut is concerned, 1.1 million hectares. Potatoes 2 million hectares, 1.4 million tons. Total vegetables are grown in 10 million hectares. Good. Very good. The production is 190 million tons. Now, the highest area under fruits is mango. Okay, it is grown in 2.3 million hectares out of 6.7 million hectares of fruits. Okay, million hectares of land. The total fruits we get are 10 million tons. Let us see what is with reference to world. Very, very interesting. 3 to 4 minutes class. Very interesting figures I am going to share with you. Number one, the area, production and yield of principal crop in various countries. This bit among 7 or 8 which I am going to thoroughly discuss or inform to you. At least 2 bits would come. That means you are going to get very good marks in these 8-9 bits. Now, the first bit is paddy. Paddy in the world: China, India, Indonesia. In the descending order: paddy, China, India, Indonesia. Wheat: China, India, Russia. As far as rice is concerned, paddy is concerned, China, India, Indonesia. Wheat is concerned, same China, India, here Russia. Maize, USA, China, Brazil. Maize, USA, China, Brazil. In the descending order, pulses in the world: India, Myanmar, Canada. An interesting descending order: India, Myanmar, Canada. Pulse crops. Sugarcane: Brazil, India, China. Brazil, India, China. This is the descending order. Groundnut: China, India, Nigeria. China, India, Nigeria. If you see, China, India, 1 and 2 positions are for paddy, wheat and sugar and groundnut. For these three, China, India are 1 and 2. Now, see, as far as the tobacco unmanufactured is concerned, the descending order countries are China, Brazil, India. China, Brazil, India. Once again, for your academic interest, this I would like to share with you once again that these are the latest finalized countries with reference to the wonderful data collected by Government of India. Now, For paddy, the descending order is China, India, Indonesia. Wheat, China, India, Russia. Maize, USA, China, Brazil. Pulses, India, Myanmar, Canada. Sugarcane, Brazil, India, China. Groundnut, China, India, Nigeria. Tobacco, unmanufactured, China, Brazil, India. Now let us see what is with reference to our position, India's position in world agriculture. India's position in world, one bit will come. Just I am going to read in 2 minutes or maximum 3 minutes. You will get 1 mark minimum, 2 marks possibility is there. 1 mark 100% certain. What is that 1 mark? Where you get it? The total geographical area of India is 328.73. Okay, this is oldest figure, no need. But remember that land area of India is 297.32 million hectares. That's why total food grain production is also 297. So total land area, total food grain production as of 2021-22 are same figures, 297. So arable land, in that arable land is 156. Now let us see, as far as the total area is concerned, where India stands. Total area is concerned, India stands 7th position. What are the first 6 positions? Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia. After Australia, we are 7th position. Land area is concerned 297.32 million hectares. What I told, we are again in the 7th position. Land area. What are the number 1, number 2, number 3? Russia, China, USA, Canada, Brazil, Australia. After that, we are in the 7th position as far as the land area is concerned. As far as arable land is concerned, we are in a relatively wonderful position. We are in 2nd position next to USA. USA is number 1, arable land. Ours is the 2nd position as far as arable land is concerned. This is a silver line for us to go for wonderful crop production. Now, as far as population is concerned, China is number 1, India is number 2, but in population we are number 1. In what? Just try to guess in what we are number 1. Rural India, rural population, India is number 1. Total population we are 2nd next to China. But rural population is concerned, we rank 1st in the country, rural. So that's why agriculture, rural is the mainstay. Next bit, total cereals are concerned. Of course, we are in the 3rd position. Total cereals are concerned. What are number 1, 2? Number 1 is China, number 2 is USA. After China and USA, we are 3rd position. Total cereals. Now, wheat is concerned and rice is concerned, we are 2nd. Wheat and rice is concerned, we are 2nd to China in both the things. China is number 1 in wheat. China is number 1 in rice. We are number 2. Total cereals is concerned, we are in the 3rd position. What is number 1? Number 1 is China. Number 2 is USA. Number 3rd one, India. Now, pulses are concerned, we are number 1 in the country. Yes, excellent, wonderful. So, oil seeds, groundnut, we are 2nd in position. 1st position is China. Rapeseed and mustard, we are in 3rd position. That is, after Canada, China, we are in the 3rd position. Now let us see as far as fruits are concerned. As far as fruits are concerned, fruits, vegetables, potato and onion. Once again I repeat, fruits, vegetables, potato and onion are concerned, we are in the 2nd position next to only China, 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 China. So that means vegetables, number 1 China, number 2 India. Fruits, number 1 China, India, number 2nd position. Potatoes, China 1st position, India 2nd position. Onion, China number 1 position. Okay, India is 2nd in position. Now, as far as the livestock is concerned, so very, very good, interesting thing is, as far as buffaloes are concerned, India is number 1. Buffalo, India is number 1. Cattle, we are in 2nd position next to China. Cattle is concerned, we are in 2nd. Next to China. As far as buffaloes are concerned, we are in number 1 position. That is a wonderful thing. So, of course, camels are concerned, we are in the 17th position. 1-7. Of course, these 16 countries is very difficult to remember. That's why we just remember that camels are concerned, we are in the 17th position. Sheep is concerned, as far as sheep, okay, we are in the 3rd position next to China, Argentina. Goats are concerned, we are in 2nd position. next to China. China is number 1, India is number 2 as far as goats are concerned. As far as chicken is concerned, India is in 6th position. 6th position next to China, USA, Brazil, Russia, Germany. We are in 6th position. Last 1 or 2 bits as far as dairy products are concerned, milk, we are number 1. We are number 1 in 3 positions. Number 1, milk production. Number 1 position, buffalo, we are there. Rural population, we are number 1. Similarly, eggs, we are in 3rd position next to China and USA. The last bit for today's class, as far as meat is concerned, we are in 6th position next to China, USA, Brazil, Russia and Germany. Just to sum it up, milk, we are in 1st position. Eggs, we are in 3rd position next to China and USA. Last bit, meat, we are in 6th position next to China, USA, Brazil, Russia, Germany. We are in 6th position. Thanking you very much for your very patient hearing.